guys, we're doing another review video. I just bought 2 fidget spinners. They should be coming 2 weeks, it said. So, there should be no 2 weeks later sign or something.
2 weeks later.
That's not actually the thing. It's just the snake from the, I ordered it from the shop, and, he's like a snake. He delivers and stuff. It's not really a door. He's like making stuff. Let me jump over to you.
Hello, are you the guy that wanted the fidget spinners?
Oh yeah, I want these fidget spinners.
Thank you for buying from the shop.
You're welcome. I just paid the money on the,
Okay.
online.
Well, I'm gonna go back in the wild.
Okay. Jump to victory. Okay, guys. Okay, I got 2 fidget spinners.
From the shop.
Go away, okay? This one is pretty cool. Look at this. Red.
Limited edition.
Reds aren't limited edition. Okay? The gold one is, though. Look at this.
That is our most valued price from the shop.
It only costs like $10, so.
I know. Let me give you a lick.
Get off my property. Oh no, files fell off. Ah.
Oh no. Oh, do you want me to bite you?
No.
Well anyways, those are fidget.
Man, that's a cool fidget spinner. It's small and cool.
Anyways,
Ouch. Why does the snake keep talking? These fidget
Frosty,
spinners are pretty
I got someone for you. He said he wanted to look at your fidget spinners. Hey, what's up?
Not you. I've met you before.
I want fidget spinners.
My right one.
Fidget spinner.
I'm coming for you.
I'm cornered. Where do I go? Oh, I know a place you won't find me.
Hi, Toadsworth.
Oh, hi, hello there, Luigi. Hello there, Frosty.
You're gonna call me Luigi?
No, I said hello over there.
There
Frosty.
should be someone here.
Well,
Does he poking up?
I'm gonna go get the gold one.
No! Don't you dare! I'll throw this fidget spinner at you.
You'll never catch it. I will hide the fidget spinner so you'll never find it.
No!
You'll never catch me. Where do I hide it? Where do I hide it? Hey, he's getting out. Okay. You'll never find the fidget spinner.
Hey, still.
No. I'll go get his computer.
You can't get my computer. Ha ha! Real funny, is it now? You can't do that. It's part of the video. It's getting too long. You actually have to give me a happy ending,
I'm sorry, okay? What are you doing with that fidget spinner?
It's my fidget spinner.
Let me see this from eBay.com. I helped with that shipping. I'm sorry, Minion, but you're under arrest again. Here you go, sir. Here's your nice fidget spinner.
Yay.
So, sir, you're coming with me.
Guys, let's get back to this review. Man, that was a long chase. Wait, my review station is under the jail. And that's weird. Okay, guys.
Well,
these fidget spinners are pretty awesome. So, guys, I'll see you next time. And bye! With these cool fidget spinners.
okay.
Not sponsored.